For that, now Tata Motors has come out with its Q1 numbers, and Tushar is tracking that for us. Hi Tushar, take us through what the numbers look like.
Hi Nupur. So it's breaking news actually. Net profit is up about 72% to about 5,692 crores. Revenue is up about 5.68%, about 6% to 108,048, about 1.08 lakh crore rupees. Now the surge is only on the back of JLR, who had actually posted a revenue of about 7.3 billion pounds. That was up of 5.4%, while the EBITDA is actually down by 50 basis points to 15.8%. The surge in JLR sales in China is seen as a major contributor to Tata Motors' top line, as well as the profit numbers that its company is showing. In the domestic front, the passenger vehicle sales may have dipped by about 1%. When those numbers come in, we'll be able to talk about it more.
All right. Thank you for the moment for joining us, Tushar, with those details. All right, now as young professionals starting your career, managing your finances can be a bit overwhelming. How much should you save? Where should you invest? Now this is a new series of videos on personal finance called Adulting 101. And today we discuss something that's called the latte factor. Yukta joins us to tell us a bit more.
The comforting aroma of fresh coffee and a quick stop for a morning pick-me-up. For many, this daily ritual is a non-negotiable. A simple pleasure that starts the day off right. But have you ever considered the true cost of that daily latte? A seemingly small expense like, let's say, a 200 rupee coffee can add up quickly. Over a month, that's 6,000 rupees. And in a year, a staggering 72,000 rupees being spent on just one habit. But coffee isn't the only daily indulgence that can quietly and gradually drain your wallet. Think about your impromptu snack runs or even your streaming services. Now, these might seem minor on their own, but combined, these can put a dent in your budget. For instance, a daily snack costing 50 rupees can total 1,500 rupees a month. Multiply that by 12 and you're spending 18,000 rupees a year just on snacks. Now, let's look at an alternative. Making coffee at home costs around 20 rupees per cup. By switching to homemade coffee, the monthly expenditure drops to just 600 rupees. Over a year, that's a saving of 64,800 rupees. But the story doesn't end here. Now, if these savings were invested annually at, let's say, a basic return of 7%, they could grow substantially. In 10 years, the savings could amount to 8.9 lakhs. In 20 years, 25.4 lakhs. And in 30 years, nearly 54.9 lakhs. The key takeaway, identifying your own latte factor that could be a game changer for your financial health.
All right, so obviously a lot of you will be rethinking that cup of latte after that report. Well, it's time for a very short break. On the other side, we bring you our special coverage on the Olympics. Do stay with us.